Welcome to Jar Masala. Today I'm going to show you how I cook my lentil and ground beef curry using our jar full of dal, which contains 3 types of Indian lentils. And I always soak the lentils overnight, but I would recommend at least soaking the lentils hour or two. It just saves you a lot of time, cooking time. So let's get started. Add some cooking oil, and then I'm using white onions, and I'm going to cook the onions till golden brown. I'm adding some garlic and ginger paste, and if you don't have the garlic and ginger paste, just use some fresh garlic. So for seasoning, we're going to use our meat masala to make the lentil and the ground beef curry. And I have 3 cups of lentils that I'm using and 1 pound of ground meat. So I'm going to use 4 half a teaspoon of the meat masala, and you can add the seasoning to your taste. I'm adding 4. To the spice, I'm going to add some fresh tomatoes. I add a little bit of water, and I'm just cooking down the spice a little bit. Add salt to your taste. And then we're going to add our soaked lentils. I'm going to add the ground beef. I'm using ground beef for this curry, but you can use any type of ground meat, or you can even do mixed vegetables instead of the meat. I'm adding 6 cups of water. I'm cooking 3 cups of lentils, so I would just double the water. Just make sure you have enough liquid to cover the lentils. Cover the dish and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. It's been cooking for 15 minutes, and I'm going to add some jalapeno peppers. This is optional. And then I'm also going to add some cilantro and mix it all together. I'm going to cover the dish and lower the heat and cook it for 5 more minutes. So lentil curry is done. I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove off. Try this curry with rice or any type of bread. And please do follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Jar Masala for more recipes. And to order your spice kit, send me a DM or visit jarmasala.com.